Hello, second grade. Welcome back. It is Friday. You have almost finished your math for the whole week. We're going to be going over 2 activity book pages today. So I want you to make sure that you have completed page 31 and page 33. You want to go ahead and get those out in front of you. So if you need to pause me for a minute, go right ahead and make sure that you've completed those pages and that you have them out. You're going to have an opportunity to complete the rest of your pages a little bit later, but I want to make sure we go over a couple and that we're on the right track. So let's look first here at page 31. It should look like this. Problems about 3 groups. Find the number of cubes Jake used in each problem. Add the numbers in at least 2 different orders. So if you're looking at your page and you've not done 2 different ways to add the problems for each of these, then you still have some work to do. Show your work. So it's important for us to always read the directions because you never know when the directions are going to ask you to do something that you don't think you need to do. It's not on there. It doesn't say 2 ways in this, but it does up here. Jake used 6 green cubes, 3 blue cubes, and 4 yellow cubes to make a train. How many cubes did he use? So let's look first at what that could look like if we were to draw that out. I'm going to use these as my cubes. So it says first he has 6 green cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These aren't super easy to use. 3 blue, 1, 2, 3, and 4 yellow. 1, 2, 3, 4. So if you have trouble picturing that, one suggestion that I would like to make is that you draw a quick picture of what you're seeing. So they want us to add this in 2 different ways. So let's do that. Let's add it in 2 different ways. I'm going to use my color code again so you all can see the 2 different ways. So let's go with what's here first. These were 6 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the first number that I might add is 6. 6 plus, how many, what do we have here? Yeah, 3 blue. 6 plus 3 plus, what's this last here? What's this tower? Right, 4 yellow. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 3 plus 4. And they wanted you to do it in 2 different ways. So this is one way. So let's add that really quickly. There's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's do it a different way. Let's take these. Oh, maybe I can't. Yes, I can. I can do this. Let's take these. Oh, it won't let me move them. Okay, let's just do it in a different way. I see a combination of 10 here that I think would be good to use. Or maybe we could just do it backwards. So let's do our yellows first. So let's say our 4 yellows plus these 3 in the middle were blue, 3 blue, and of course you don't have to color code this. I'm just color coding these, so I want you to see where I'm getting these numbers. So 4 yellow, 3 were blue, and 6 were green. So let's add this in a different way and see if we still get the same answer of 13. Do you think we will? We'll see. So this time we're adding our 4 first. There's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 again. So this may be how I showed this. And show your work. I want to see how you did this. So if you drew a picture, I'd like to see a picture. If you used combinations, I'd like to see that too. Let's go down and look at one more. Jake used 8 green cubes, 5 blue cubes, and 5 yellow cubes to make a train. How many cubes did he use? So I'm going to come up here. This time I'm going to use my draw tool. He used 8 green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 5 blue, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and then 5 yellow. So I'm going to go switch this to yellow real quick. 5 yellow. If it helps you to draw this out in color, then draw it in color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you don't need to draw it in color, that's perfectly fine too. So let's see now what this could look like. Hold on, I've got to drag this down here. All right. So they want us to solve this in 2 different ways. What color should we start with? Yeah, let's start with blue. 5 blue plus 5 yellow. I'll do those first. Plus 8 green. Now, it says show your work, so I want to show you how you could show your work on this one. So if I were going to do this, the first thing I would do is 5 plus 5. That's a nice, easy double. 5 plus 5 equals 10. And then all I have to do is add my 8. 10 plus 8 equals 18. Even though you may be doing that in your head, it's really helpful for me to be able to see your thinking. So now I could put this in another order. So this time I think that I will start with the 8 green plus 5 yellow plus 5 blue. And again, you're going to want to show how you solved this. So this time, let's start with 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5 equals, good, 13. 13 plus 5 equals, that's right, 18. So we got the same answer 2 times, showing this 2 different ways. All right, so let's flip over real quick. We're going to skip 32. Let's flip over to page 33. It looks like this, and I want us to solve a couple of these number strings. This is important. It says use combinations you know to solve each problem. So it doesn't say solve the problem in order. It says to use combinations that you know. So looking at 3 plus 4 plus 6, do you see anything that might equal a friendly number like 10? Absolutely, I see that too. 4 plus 6 equals 10. So I'm going to start there. So I used my 4, and I'm going to just do this real quick because I want you to see this. I used the 4 and I used the 6. So what's the last thing there that I need to do? Absolutely, I'm going to take my 10 plus 3 equals, good, 13. And now I've used all 3 numbers, and this is how I would show my work. So you notice I didn't just put an answer right there. I showed you how I solved it, and I want you to do the same thing. So let's look at this one. Do you see any friendly numbers or combinations that you might know here? Absolutely. The first 2, 3 plus 7 equals what? 10. Nice friendly number, and you might see that a lot. So I've used the 3. I've used the 7. What's there left to use here? Absolutely, the 8. So 10 plus 8 equals 18. Very nice. So your job today is going to be to finish the activity book pages from yesterday, and I'm adding 1 page on, page 49, number riddles. It should be a fun one. Once you finish that, you're going to have a quiz to do, and I cannot wait to see how you do on that quiz. I will see you soon. Goodbye, 2nd grade.